Alright, so I got a piece here I'm working on off the RK Leblond 18-inch lathe. It's this little arm piece. I got some other video footage on this, exactly what it does and where it's located. Um, I'm pretty certain that this flat spot, and this flat spot are all true to each other. Um, right here you can see the crack here, a crack here, and a crack here. So these two pieces were welded back on, and they were welded. It'll actually throw everything off. So I gotta. They're welded. Not these are not perfect with these three parts here. These are a little bit off. So basically, when I set this down on these 1, 2, 3 blocks, I want to make sure that this 1, 2, 3 block here only catches like right there. I don't want it to be up in here or else it'll be off. I want it to be right here. So it's going to set in there like this. Like so. And alright, I think I kind of like that right there. And it feels sturdy. I don't feel no movement. Okay, so I think I'm going to clamp this thing down right where it's at. And I'm going to bore this hole out just enough so that it's perfectly round. So that, and then this thing I'm going to turn the outside diameter on it to fit that hole. Okay, and that'll slide right down. I'm only going to bore down as far, I'm only going to bore down here the width of this bushing. You know, I don't want to take any more cast iron off of this because it's weak enough as it is, being though it's cracked in 3 different spots and welded. So I'm just going to bore down just the width of this bushing, and I'm going to turn this bushing down to fit however, you know, whatever this diameter, whatever it's going to wind up being. And then I'm going to have to turn down the center of this bushing to mate with this shaft so that it's, you know, this is going to slide all the way on. Okay, and that's what I got going on so far. And once I get everything set up, you know, I'm going to indicate this with the coaxial indicator, and then I'm going to put my boring bar in, and we're going to get going on it.